Okay, hello, hi. This is lesson 8 in TCR Rivet server-side scripting, and in this lesson I'm going to talk about how to use and send data from checkboxes that are inside the form, and using get and post methods, which we call them later as get and post variables. Now, the form that we have is this one, okay, and it's the same as the previous one of the radio button, but instead of having to type to be radio here, okay, it's now checkbox. Very same code. Okay, now the difference is that in a checkbox method you can select multiple at the same time from like a number of elements, like from a whole group, unlike in the radio button way where you can select one and only one item from many. Okay, so let's say I have selected those 4 items. Okay, as such, this is number 1 and this is number 4 and this is number 1 and this is number 3. Okay, I mean the numbers are not just like I'm counting like kids, but just the values are still the same. Okay, as I said, everything is still the same but using checkbox. So, and I still kept it as a get, so you can get method, so you can still see the what has been sent. Okay, because you know in a post method you don't see the effects. So if I select and submit them, okay, I'll zoom the address bar here, and here when I submit the file, okay, it will send the data to lesson8.rvt. okay, and see a car, I have a car 1 and car 4. okay, again let me zoom it more. So I have car 1 and car 4 and restaurant 1 and restaurant 3. This is what I have selected. Okay, now, and when I select the messages that the messages that correspond to each car and each restaurant will be added up. Why? Now in the Rivet in the Rivet file of lesson 8 here, this has no meaning anymore. I don't use with checkboxes the command varqs or varpost get. Here you used to see it as varget. Okay, you used to see it as such, but it is like this when it comes to checkbox, because you want to select from a list. So you'll get a list of items or list of values belonging to the same variable name, because I still set things to the same variable name inside the HTML file. See, this is car and everything is related to car, so I can say which cars I have selected. Same to the restaurant down below. Okay, so I get a list, or you want to say an array, but this is a list in TCL, not like in C++ arrays. Okay, I get a list, and this list is now just to like pile up the selections, okay, or maybe list what I chosen. Okay, I use a for each and car and list because I did this. So car list is varqs list from the get variable named car, and therefore on each item of the car list, which are numbers, I do a switch, and for example if I get 1, it will print this and move directly to the bottom, because this is a switch command, and then I put the word and, so and what, so it moves on to the next loop, and for example it selected just say 3. Okay, it goes, prints the Mazda line, and then goes again with the and until it finishes the whole list. So the same happens with the restaurant, and I've put in between an HR line, horizontal row line, so it looks like this. So this is the HR. So in this way I'll be adding up the selections. Okay, so this is all about checkboxes. It's all about just using the var post / qs list and the variable name of get or post. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button, and also click typing, I mean the comments. Thanks.